Happy monkey and happy monkey.
Okay, Neon, can I Jano? Neon, you gotta sit in the couch while sister and brother do the work.
Let's see here. Come on, Ron, let's go. We finished with this place. Yeah, you're right. I think we do need to vacuum it again.
I'll vacuum.
Alright, sure.
What? This is what I want.
POV. Ron, I'll get the dining chairs ready.
Yes, I did it. See?
Nice.
I did all of it.
Ron, I'm getting the dining chairs ready for vacuuming. And I found another piece of your magnet. Okay?
Good.
I found 2 pieces of your magnet actually.
Ooh, only one piece left.
Yeah, only 1 piece. When you bring that piece to be. Down. Neon, sit down. No.
I'm just filming.
I know. No, Neon, sit down. Mommy, Neon keeps on jumping like out when Mommy and I are trying to clean. And he's doing it now. You done? Alright.
Unplug it.
Switch the camera over here. Alright.
Are you done vacuuming here?
Yeah. Ron, I'll go get the vacuum. Alright, so this done. We have most of this place done. Should I put this upstairs?
Yeah.
internet's too cold.
Alright, let's get this sweep on.
It's a little hot. What do I do? Oh, put the towel.
Okay?
I want to clean our room.
Yeah, we have to clean our rooms after. Wait. Okay. And wait, he's got it. Oh, score! Let's go! Alright, I think one area of sweeping is done. Let me go to the kitchen. Well, sweeping is done.
I'm gonna put them in a different style.
Then bring them.
You wanna come and see the style? None of them be on the sides.
What?
No chairs on the side.
Why?
Cause the new ventilation will change it.
Oh, good job. You're not done yet?
Alright. Let's put this cube back in here. Let's go. I think downstairs is almost finished. No. Almost done with those chairs, Ron? Let me help you out. Let's go.